This is an example dashboard for an exterior renovation. So, for example, that could be a roof replacement, that could be a full exterior paint, it could be replacing all of the lights on the exteriors of your apartment community, whatever that could encompass from an exterior level. So on the dashboard, you're going to find a lot of really great quick links. You've got resources here. You can request another bid from our team. You can visit our website. If you've got some outstanding service from one of our team members, you can give a shout out. We've got our contacts here. So this information will change just depending on who your project manager is or who your main point of contact is. The scope of work that was outlined in the contract would be listed here, as well as your property information. And then the contacts from the client side or from your company side would be listed here. Maybe it's project manager. If you have a construction manager at your company, it could also be a service supervisor or maintenance supervisor, whoever you designate as your main point of contact for the project. You've also got some really awesome information here in your timeline at the date we've started the project, how much of that percentage is completed, how many days in progress this might have been listed, how many estimated additional days, or how many days until completion are listed here. We've also got a full project schedule, so you have pretty clear visibility into when your project is starting and what needs to happen, as well as what's happening on the project. You've got health tracker here, so really it just shows like if something is completed, if there's any delays, what have you. I believe also that there would be some red if there was any hiccups or something of that nature. You've also got a Gantt chart, which just shows kind of like daily and monthly progress, just depending on what is tracking. And then there's a really neat little chart that just shows like what's upcoming in the next 7 days, which is very helpful. And then there's a really awesome wood allowance tracker here. It just shows like out of what we've contracted, how many 1x2s do we anticipate we're going to be using on your project, or 1x4s and so on. And then it just shows how much has been used. So if, for instance, there was rotted wood, say in an area that we couldn't assess until we started demoing the project, that would all be listed out here. So you can see how much wood has been utilized and how much more we may need to purchase or how much was utilized from the allowance and so on. And then at the bottom here, you'll see progress reports. Here we've got listed some previous projects that we've worked on, but during your project, every week you'll see a progress report that automatically goes out on Fridays that just kind of helps you keep up to date with what's happening. And so you can click on those and see those here. And the thing that's really cool about this is if you click on this, it will actually take you to a completely other Google Drive that has all of the progress photos that our team has taken from there.